Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn to Love DIY. Today we're doing this Farmhouse Vintage Wood Candlestick Holder. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you haven't already, I would love it if you'd subscribe and hit that bell notification sign. So to get started, you're going to be needing 2 pieces of the 1x4, and I did mine at 5.5. And I did these at 5.5 to support the width of the 1x6 I will be using of the background. And I went ahead and had cut, or my husband cut for me, 2 pieces of the 1x6 at 18 inches, and I decided on the 18-inch size to fit the width of the faux window I have in my dining room space. And these are actually scraps. I didn't buy this wood. These are scraps from when my husband created the twin bed for my daughter, and I can definitely share that with you guys on Instagram. If you guys are interested in that, please leave me something in the comments below and I'd be happy to do that. And then we also cut 2 pieces of the 1x2 to help support the 1x4, and that we cut at a later time once the 1x4 was secured onto the 1x6. And this is kind of what it looks like. And we did 2 to make it a pair so I could frame that faux window. And so here are the assembled pieces. I did do a bit of sanding on just the rough edges of where we cut the wood, just to make sure that we didn't get any splinters. And then here I'm going to be doing 2 kinds of paint. I'm also going to be doing the crackling effect like I did on the E in one of my previous videos. It's a very simple effect, but it just gives it that extra vintagey look that I was looking for my dining room table. And so I'm doing this time the darker color on the bottom. And I'm doing this in an acrylic gray color, and I'm just going to cover all my surfaces with this. And then once I've completely painted both of these candlestick holders, I'm going to go ahead and also do a layer of the glue. And then once I finish applying the glue, you go ahead and immediately apply the top coat, or the preferred choice of your the color of your choice on the top. So in this case I will be doing white. So once I covered all of my surfaces, I just let it to dry to make sure that it dried fairly well before I applied the glue. And then once I finished applying the glue coat, I went ahead and quickly applied that white coat. Just because you don't want the glue to dry, you need it to be wet when you apply your paint base. So I did film just part of this so that wouldn't be too lengthy for you guys. And as you can see, I've already finished applying the paint, and here is how it crackles. This is after I've laid it out for quite a bit. And now here they are hanging on my wall, framing the faux window. Alright guys, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you'd subscribe. And I thank you very much for watching today.